My name is Eunice. Today is my honors to be here. I represent my company CCN106, social media analytics. As a digital marketer, today I'm going to show you about interesting insight in Nike Twitter dataset. We use Tableau as analytics tool. We will show you interesting insight about our client on the social media, and we're going to answer your particular question you asked us before. For example, we're going to talk about how many particular user mentioned Nike during the time periods on the tweet. We also will present to you how much engagement is happening, how many likes, retweets, someone reply our account, and what's the top 10 tweet measured by like, retweet, activity, and we will use some of the special function to across the time in the data side. And today you know more about how we can make a future strategy to get more attractive, more unique users to like Twitter, in the Twitter. And also I'll discuss about what are the top 10 most commonly occurring hashtag. And some interesting relevant insight. I hope you guys enjoy and like. And please welcome, ask me any question in any times. Let's start it.
Okay, let's drag ID to the measure. Then, under the ID, there's a default property. And we're going to aggregation, count distance. So therefore, Tableau, we give it Tableau the sign, say, hey, can you please give us a count of all of the unique tweet ID that it can find. Oh, sorry, and by the way, I mean count distance is here. Okay, let's drop our ID field here. So when we drop the ID measure into the field, and what's tell us is the number of the unique tweets ID that we have in our data set. So you can see very clearly it shows we have 83461 unique tweets in the data set. Okay, let's start quick here to add sheet 2. So let's begin with some base level of analytics. We could look at the numbers like, the total numbers like across all the tweets in the data set, the total numbers reply to all the tweets in the data set, and the total number retweet in the data set. Simply, it just really easy to begin with. It just draw those measurement, like come to the row here, and the replies measurement to here, and the retweet count to be here. Very simple. And what's the easy way you can see the total number is actually here is a show more, and you just click the table one, and straight away you will see the total the like count is 6,51422 likes, replies 7010 replies. The tweet count is 178051 total. Okay, let's just like create a new worksheet to start with. So click here to start our new worksheet 3. Let's try the likes account to the row here, and we also try the retweet count on the columns. Because we might interesting to look at the relationship between the number of likes like a tweet received and the numbers of retweets that it's received. So by this option action, we can see that it's simply just tell us that what's the number of the likes, which is over 650,000, and the number of tweets is around 178051. That's the info we can see in here, in this dot. And if we click Analytics, and there's an option called Aggregate Measures, that will make us to see more correlation between retweet and likes, furthermore informations. And it's because they are aggregated at the moment, and so of course they are sung together. So we can see like more information in here. So what this show us is actually observe account for each tweet of a number of likes and the number of retweets. For instance, each single the circle in the diagram here, such as this one, you can see this tells us it's totally 16690 likes, and it also have a retweet count, 1713 retweets. And this one over here, you can see is pretty high. You can see there I have 39718, which is quite high, like it, and the tweets is 12024. And in here, we can see it's quite high of number of retweet account is 30356. And they also got high numbers like it is 4137. So we can see that it's kind of be like the trend that's interesting inside. That's whereas the number of likes goes up and the number of retweets seems to go up as well. I know it's quite logically you can guess that, but everything is go through by data, so that's a place you can see. If we click on Analytics here, and there's a trend line, and click Show Trend Line. So in here, you can see some interesting and positive correlation again. I know it's quite obviously, but as the numbers of likes goes up, the number of retweets goes up as well. So we can use that line to find out something like those kind of positive or negative correlation. Let's go to Analytics and the trend lines again and turn off the trend line. We're going to Analysis and we're going to Aggregate Measure again. So you may ask me other questions such as, do you think that we should do more tweets content videos? because we want to know the tweets content video does got more likes or retweets. So very simple, we can go into video here and just simply drag back to this dimension. And we drag the video to the shape here. Therefore, you will see there's like two new markers essentially into our visualization parts. As you can see, the mark here, it shows total number of the retweets and the total number of likes that tweet receive that in the video length. Whereas you can see the new mark in here, you can see what's the total numbers of the sum of retweets and the sum of likes for the tweets that didn't contain the videos. Back to our question again, on average, how many likes and how many retweets did the tweets receive if they didn't or did not contain the videos? We want to know average. So we go in here, and there's a measure, we change to average, and the sum of like, same, the measure here, we change to average. Here, we can see that if the tweet not have a video, the average likes is only 6.95. However, if there's a video here, the average like is 58.03. That's very interesting insight we want to know. Let's create new project sheet down here. Let's find out what we can find the top 10 most popular hashtag here. First of all, click here, tweet. So we're going to create calculate field. Then we type in lower in here, and inside we type in regular, and we choose regular extra NTH. And inside we type in tweet. And we are typing those instructions for the tweet, for the Tableau to let them know what we wanted to search those conditions of the hashtag, and we change the name to hashtag extract. And we press OK, and we have it. And after we create, we drag the hashtag exact to the rows. And remember, drag the ID to the column. And we click on that and click execute. And we can hear the sort data decrease in the order. So you can see in here, Nike is the second largest one, hashtag 3443. And we move hashtag extract from rows to the color here. And move account ID to the rows. And we jump here to the hashtag exact filter here, and we're going to here, you can see there's an option we can choose, and we add the filter by top and by the filter. Then we choose top 10 and we plus OK. Then simply we just choose here show more, and you can see what's the top 10 in here. Yes, so remember we create a new sheet called user activity. We drag the username from here to be row here. And we drag the ID to the column. What we look at is every each username here. And how many times does that account tweet? And with the quiz here, we can see the number have orders. So you can see most active user